I'm back, people. Thank you so much for joining me again. Thank you. I really do appreciate you. All right. So today, just gonna do a quick video, real quick. I'm gonna use the templates strictly for longs, for a template that I created using the money management for having break evens. I'm gonna be trying to use this the majority of the time from this point forward. Um, we'll still, every once in a while reference the other strategy. Um, Templates for the other money management. But I I mainly work with the break evens. Like I said before, I like to make sure I try to capture and save as much money as I can. Even though some people don't like working with break evens, I like working with break evens. All right, so let's get this going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an indicator, a Heikin Ashi indicator, and it's a lizard indicator. Um, I like using these. They're pretty doggone good. So bear with me 1 second. Reason why I'm using this is because it's real simple. You can access the plots of the indicator, and one of the plots that you can access is a trend. So it makes it easier for you to just have a long signal or interest signal. Trend one, long. Trend -1, short. Too easy. All right, so let me just get these in here. And then not only that, the reason why they always have so many things you can use to help with optimizing strategy. So I'm going to show it just for the sake of the video. Leave it the way it is. Touch the properties. Alright, so that's done. Alright, might as well. Alright, so condition. So you can lose the parts just like you know using normal bars as the open, high, low, close. But what we're gonna use, we're specifically looking for the trend equal to 1. All right. So we should be good to go. Like that. drop the slippage to 0. Let's just run it how it is, see how it works out. Alright, it's because I have it activated. You can actually turn that off if you like. It's actually covering up the real bars, so it makes it hard to actually see some of the drawings. But I just wanted you to see. See if we can optimize it. People, this may take a little bit of time. Just wanted to optimize with you guys so you can actually see. Let me see, I'm using the cubes. So now we can optimize between all of these. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the smoothings. Let's see which ones we can use. I'll leave that. I use the Butterworth. See what the Gauss does. HMA. Super smoother. WMA. Yeah, just like that one. I'm just gonna leave it on default. I don't want it to take too long. Right now I'm using lizard wrinkle bars. Just want to see. I'll flip them over. I'll flip it over to minute bars. You can also see as well. Alright, so it didn't take too long. It's not going to take you too long. Remember, the bars are hidden, so that's the reason why it looks like that. So, not too great. Let's try on different bars. And you do have a whole bunch to choose from. Let me just choose one. Try exponential HMA. Let's change this to minute 5. So as you can see, it's working. Now, let me switch the chart over. I'm using RTH right now. Probably won't change the results, probably will. But the thing is, you just got to test it and see. Alright, so a little better. Profit factor did go up some. Drawdown is okay. Percent profitable, not bad. But it did change some. Let me go back to the other bars. I just want to see. But using these is a very simple and quick way to be able to get entries and entry signals. They did a good job with that Heikin Ashi bar. There's many other ways you can actually use this indicator. You don't actually have to use it by itself. You can actually use this within the input series of another indicator, actually putting this indicator inside here. Whole nother level, still trying to work on that out, trying to work that out to see how I can use it, but something totally different. Alright, so you can see with the other bars didn't work out too well at all. Let me do this. Let me loosen this up a little bit. See if that makes a difference. Smoothing don't look too bad. I'm gonna try this one as well. So just wanted to show you guys a little quick strategy to use with Quagensia, creating strategy, money management templates, using the indicators that's already in here, or using third-party indicators that you can actually export from NinjaTrader. Still no better. Let's try one more time. Let's just try this last time with the minute bars. Net profit. And this is just by itself as an entry signal. You wouldn't use that by itself. Of course, you would use the other indicators as well to help confirm trend and momentum. To make sure, as well as volume. But just showing you a quick way to get an entry signal, something to play with. And I'll also give this to you if you like. If you decide to purchase Quagensia, just drop me an email. Let me know you purchased it, and I'll give you strategies that you see me making on YouTube. All right. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks you guys once again for joining me. Just a little quick strategy showing along with a Heikin Ashi from lizard indicators. Not too bad, but not too good. Minute chart, 5-minute chart. Let me just see something. I apologize. I don't mean to keep y'all. Just want to go up a little bit. So that knocked it down. As you can see, you can just keep playing with it. Just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to just create a strategy with a quick entry signal. To add to a strategy that's already basically pre-built into Quagensia to get started. Alright, so thank you guys once again for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Hit the subscribe button. Like I mentioned, you purchase Quagensia, hit me up in the email, let me know you purchased, and any strategy that you see me make or indicator that you would like with the strategy, just let me know. Alright, the link is below. Thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate you. You guys have a blessed day.